What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today, more stuff to the S2000. So you guys might have heard me talking about a front lip for quite a while now. So I did purchase a front lip for my AP2 S2000. So if you notice, the front is pretty bare. I was trying to find the OEM front lip. As you guys know, discontinued now and they're pretty hard to find. So I just went with an OEM style front lip. And I also managed to pick up some OEM. I guess you can say this is a seal, weather seal from Honda. This goes on the OEM front lip. So yeah, I dropped it off at the shop Longs Automotive slightly over a month back. And the guys just got it painted. Everything looks good. So yeah, hopefully you'll be able to check it out and slap it on at the shop. Started up my S2000, just letting it warm up. Beautiful weather to be top down, so that's how I'm going to be driving. And yeah, I guess before I head to the shop, I'm gonna swing by, pick up some like breakfast tacos for the guys at the shop from Taco Cabana, and then I'll head over there. So yeah, so a little life update. So I didn't quite share with you guys, but I no longer work at Longs Automotive now. Handed in my resignation about 2 weeks back. So I'm still cool with Long, the owner, as well as the other guys at the shop. But yeah, I just wanted to pursue something a little bit different, a career that's totally different. Yes, while I love cars, I decided that you know, I want to keep cars as a hobby, because to be honest, like working on cars day in and day out kind of made me lose a little bit of motivation from working on my own cars after work, after hours. I'm just so tired after work, you know. So definitely I learned a lot at the job, made good friends with the guys at the shop. That's how I'm able to go back still as a customer. So yeah, right now let's go grab them some breakfast and then we'll head over to the shop. And over here waiting at Taco Cabana drive-thru. Alright, just got the Taco Cabana platter. So it's a taco platter with like 3 or 4 different flavors. Yeah, a dozen of them in there should be enough for the guys. Just made it here safely to the shop. Also bumped into some friends. This looks like we have Andrew with his various BRZ here at the shop as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go say hi, pick up my lip. Hopefully we'll be able to install here as well. Alright, so we have the S2000 all jacked up on jack stands. Right now we're gonna go ahead and mount the front lip. So man, it came out real good. Junior at the shop painted it. It was just painted yesterday. And like I said, I also do have the gasket, OEM Honda gasket, so just going to slap it on. It also came with like these clips underneath as well, some self-tapping screws. So yeah, easy install. Alright, so I took off the front lip again. I just wanted to test fit it on the car. So right now we're gonna go ahead and put on this OEM Honda trim for the lip. If you guys need the part number, this is the part number. So yeah, pretty much we're gonna line it up. It has double-sided tape already. Line it up on the edge all around, and that will seal any small gaps that we might have. Alright, so this rubber trim piece is done all around, so real nice. And like I said, they provided the clips, so 3 clips, and there's 4 screws that go on the side, so 2 on each side and 3 clips underneath. So yeah, right now we're just gonna go ahead and slap it on, put on the 3 clips first. You want to make sure that I lower the cars at eye level before I put these 4 screws on the side. Alright, so with all three clips attached on the bottom, now we're just gonna go ahead and lower the car down. Make sure it's good at eye level before we put these self-tapping screws on the side of the lip. Front lip all on, looks really good. So the struggle was trying to get this black little gasket, which is from Honda, to fit nice and flush. Whenever you put it on, sometimes this little gasket tends to like flip inside out. So yeah, it's held on by double-sided tape, which is not very strong. So Long went ahead and kind of helped me put some super glue, and hopefully stays on there pretty snug, especially around the edges here. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I think even though it's just an OEM front lip, it looks so much better. Front end looks good. Alright, car is all done, front lip on. I'm gonna go ahead and back it out. What I'll probably do is I will move it out in the sun so that you guys can see how it looks outside. So let's go ahead and fire it up. Here's how the car looks in the sun. I think it looks so good. Gotta do a walk around, might as well. So I know you guys keep asking about the wheels. Those of you guys new to the channel, this is an AP2, but it does have AP1 wheels. I already do also have a set of Spoon SW388 wheels already, but I do have to order tires for it. So yeah, here she looks. I think the front lip looks real good. Just made it back home. One more look at the S2000 with the new front lip. Here's the up close of the front lip. I know it might not be much, but definitely looks so good. Color match is on point. Since this car is an older car, lip is brand new paint, but the bumper, fenders, hood, well, probably in the future I'll have to retouch all that. So yeah, I hope you guys like the front lip. If you guys stick to the really end, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys like the front lip install. Super small and subtle, but for version 1 of the build, I think on the outside, for the front end, I'm more or less done. Next up is my wheels, so I still have to order my tires. I'll probably get that done pretty soon. Once I have my tires, I can mount my Spoon wheels. They are here in the boxes. I'm just super excited to get them on. And then we'll dial in the right height, make sure everything looks nice. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.